Hey guys, so we got the part 2 Porsche update. Porsche event, full new licensed Porsche cars, more Porsche cars coming soon, Porsche dealership building, vehicle inspect feature, bug fixes. So we got the 2015 Porsche 911 Spyder, 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS, 2021 Porsche 911 Targa 45. Let's check the cars out, and yeah. So guys, here's all the Porsche cars. Let's first look at the Porsche 918 Spyder. So guys, we got the 2015 Porsche 918 Spyder, and as you guys can see, it looks absolutely amazing, very detailed. Let's explode it. Extremely detailed. Really like this. Let's see how it looks like in different colors. Wow. Really cool. Really interesting. And yeah, let's listen to the startup. So guys, that's it for the Porsche 918 Spyder. Let's move on to the next Porsche. So guys, for the next Porsche, we got the 2023 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. As you guys can see, this is very detailed too. I really like this one. Let's explode it. Really nice. Let's hear the startup. So guys, that's it for the startup. This car is very nice. Really like this one. Looks really good in a lot of colors, you guys can see. But yeah, that's it for the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Let's move on to the next Porsche. So guys, for the next Porsche, we got the 2021 Porsche 911 Targa 4S. As you guys can see, this one is very high in detail too. The roof can come off, and let's explode it. Looks really good. Let's just see this real quick. Really good animation. And yeah, let's hear the startup. So guys, that's it for the Porsche 911 Targa. So now let's move on to the last Porsche. Alright guys, so for the last Porsche, we got the 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. This one is so good looking. Look at this. I would say, this is just my opinion. I like this Porsche more than all the others for some reason. Like, I just like the look of this. And yeah, let me know in the comments what Porsche you guys like the most in this update. But yeah, let's open this up. Very high in detail. Look at the back. This is probably one of the best detailed cars of the Porsche update, probably. I don't know. Let's start it up. Alright guys, so that's it for the Porsche 911 GT2 RS. Let me just buy this real quick. There we go. And this also does look good in a lot of colors. Like, look at this. Wow. So guys, I like the detail and the sound of the cars. They're really good. And this Porsche thing is getting filled up. Apparently more is coming soon. So I can't wait to see what we're gonna get. The part 2 update was definitely a W. The part 1 was alright, I guess. But yeah, let's drive the cars around. So guys, I'm just gonna have a playthrough of me driving some of the Porsches. I won't be speaking in it because like you would want to hear the sound and stuff. And yeah. Alright guys, that's it for every Porsche. Now there's one more thing, and this is the inspect vehicle thing, and you can expect the name, who owns it, and how much it is, and you can view it in a dealership. And yeah, I do not like this at all. The glowing effect and stuff is cool, but this is gonna be annoying. Like, this is really gonna be annoying. They should do a thing where you click on it, then it shows that, not just like when you go close to it, it shows that. It's kind of annoying. Alright guys, that's it for today's video, and I didn't show the speed of it when it's maxed and stuff because that would take a lot of time. It would be like a 20-minute video if I did all the cars. So I'm gonna make the video short here. And if I helped you guys out or you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace.